And I want to welcome you to Eureka Math. Today is Monday, August 17, 2020, and today we're going to be learning about Module 1, Lesson 1. Are you ready to start? Because I am. Your daily goal is to complete your assignment and submit your exit ticket, and you score an 85 or higher. Your materials for today, you need the Learn book, and it's the blue book. You also need the practice book, which is the yellow book, and then here it says practice. You need a pencil, and you need your Eureka materials, the reference page. Let's go over the virtual expectations. Make sure you're sitting tall like a star, that you're always looking at the teacher, that you have your materials ready and parked, that you actively participate by doing your work, you respect others and yourself by turning in your work, and always go back to the channel or the video to answer any questions you may have. Also, don't forget that we always track your lesson progress, so make sure you log in to Hotspot to complete your 2 lessons, and you find that in Clever. Today's lesson objective is that by the end of the lesson, you will be able to practice making and adding 10. Your turn. Say the objective for today. I will practice making and adding to 10. Now let's talk about what exactly we're going to learn in this lesson. Well, first of all, we're going to talk about what a number bond is. Boys and girls, a number one is a pictorial representation of a part-whole relationship. Now, a part is the unknown. In this case, is the part that I don't know. 3 plus what number equals 7? The missing part is what I have to find out. Now, the whole, we can also call it total. In this case, 3 plus 4 equals 7. And 7 is the whole or the total. Today we're going to practice partners to 10, and 10 and 0 make 10, 9 and 1 make 10, 8 and 2 make 10, 6 and 4 make 10, 7 and 3 make 10, 5 and 5 make 10. And we're also going to talk about what a number sentence is. And a number sentence is an equation that has a symbol, in this case 2 plus 3. Then it has the equal sign, and after the equal signs it has the total. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. That's an example of a number sentence. Here's another example of another number sentence. 9 minus 2 equals 7. Boys and girls, we normally don't see a number sentence written like this, but it's exactly the same thing. They're giving us the answer after the equals. Okay, and let's talk about what you do with the number bond. So, how do we do that? If we're missing the whole, that means I have to add. And I do that by adding part plus part that equals the whole. Take a mental picture of that. And if you're missing a part, that means you have to subtract. And we start always with a whole, which is the big number. Whole minus part equals a part. Take a mental picture of that. And we're ready to start. to give you 10 seconds to get the Eureka reference material packet. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. You should be sitting tall. Great job. I see some students sitting tall. What you're going to do now is open your packet. We're going to start flipping it all the way to where it says Eureka Reference Materials. Once you're there, go to a new page. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to be there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Today's objective is practicing making a 10 and adding to 10. And we're going to do that using a number bond. Remember, I write, you write. The first thing we're going to draw or write is a number bond. Everybody, what are we going to write? Get ready. Yes, a number bond. Remember, you draw a number bond by making a big circle and 2 smaller circles. I'm going to wait for everybody to be done. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Now what we're going to do together is label the number bond. We're going to write a W for whole. Remember, the whole is the big number or the total. And a P for part. That is a smaller number. So, you're going to tell me the missing part to make a 10. Write the number 10. I have 9 as a part. What's the other missing part? Get ready. Yes, 1. Write it. Great thinking, boys and girls. What we're going to do now is write fact families. Each fact family has 2 addition number sentence and 2 subtraction sentence. Let me show you how that looks like. When I write an addition number sentence, I start with a part. So I say 9 plus 1, which is part plus part, equals 10. And 10 is the whole, boys and girls. Write the first number sentence. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Now we're going to write the other addition number sentence. And it goes 1, which is the part, plus 9, it's the other part, equals the whole, which is 10. Your turn to write it. Great job writing it. I'm done writing the 2 addition sentence. Now I'm going to write a subtraction number sentence. A subtraction number sentence always starts with the big number or the whole. So I start 10 minus, which is the whole, minus a part. The part is 9, equals to 1. Your turn to write it. Great job, boys and girls. Let's write the other subtraction fact. Remember, every time you write a subtraction fact, you always start with the whole or the big number. So I will write 10 minus the other part, minus 1, equals the other part, which is 9. 10 seconds to write it. Terrific job writing the 4 number sentences. Boys and girls, tell me, how many number sentences does each fact family have? Get ready? Yes, 4. And remember, tell me, how many of those are addition? Yes, 2. And how many of those are subtraction? Yes, 2. Kiss your brain. Now let's draw another number bond. Remember, a big circle that is the whole, smaller circle, and a smaller circle. I skipped 2 lines, boys and girls, between the number bonds. 10 seconds to finish writing it. Perfect. Let's write it. Try another problem. I'm going to label W for whole and P for part, P for part. All right, you're right. Now tell me the missing part to make 10. You were giving the number 6. Yes, the number missing is 4. Your turn. Let's write the fact families. Yes, 6 plus 4 equals 10. Now is your turn to write the other fact family, the other addition fact family. Go. Yes, 4 plus 6 equals 10. Now what are we going to write? If you said subtraction fact family, kiss your brain. Write it. Yes, 10 minus 4 equals 6. Now write the other subtraction fact. Yes, 10 minus 6 equals 4. Wow, look at these brilliant students. They know how to write 4 number sentences. Now it's your turn to do this one by yourself. Let's draw the number bond. I skipped two squares, a bigger circle, and 2 smaller. What does the big circle represent? Yes, the whole. If you said the whole, you're so smart. And what do the smaller circles represent? Way to go! Yes, those are the parts. Now, you're going to tell me the missing part to make a 10. What is it? Yes, 7. I am going to give you 1 minute to write all the 4 number sentences that go in the fact family. Pause the video and write them. Thank you for having integrity, boys and girls. And see if you got the right answers. You should have 7 plus 3 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 10 minus 7 equals 3. And 10 minus 3 equals 7. Great job! Now, we're going to go to the challenge of the day. As soon as you log in to your live session, I need you to make sure you type in your answer in the chat box. Tell me what's your favorite number. I'm going to tell you mine. My favorite number is the number 7. Make sure you log on back into your Teams calendar at 12:58 for the live session. Be on time because we're going to continue learning. Thank you for everything. Bye.